This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Angela Mayfield. Perched on a corner lot in the heart of Kanawha City, this beautiful home has a lot to offer. The main level has a bedroom, full bathroom and laundry. The upper level has 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom. The basement has a large finished family room, half bathroom and a good amount of storage. Outside you will find a large covered deck, fenced backyard, 2-car detached garage. Bonus, the yard is flat. The home is located within minutes of grocery stores, shopping, hospitals, restaurants and downtown. For more information, review the details below or contact Angela Mayfield at 304-776-7653.